Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm JhosfIne. If this is your first time here, we need you to join the family. Kindly hit on the subscribe button below. Hit on the notification bell that comes after you subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload, okay? In today's video, we are going to do a simple eyebrow tutorial. I'm just going to be sharing with you guys some tips I use in filling my brows in and drawing my brows. So that is what we're doing today. If you are interested in this video, then kindly keep on watching. So before you fill in your eyebrows, there are certain things you need to help you draw your brows, okay? You need a brow pencil or a brow pomade, but in this video, we are going to be using a brow pencil. So this is a brow pencil and this is brown. I love to use black as well. I'm going to show you guys how I use black to draw my brows. And you need a spoolie, okay? Just something to brush your hairs before you fill them in. You also need a concealer brush. I love to use this one because it's so flat. So you need a concealer brush. And then you need a blending brush, a concealer buffer or a blending brush. Something to blend the concealer out. And of course, you need a concealer also to clean up your brows. Aside the concealer, you can also use a lighter foundation you have to clean up your brows. I just had to zoom you guys in a bit more so that you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. If your skin is looking this shiny and your brows are very shiny, you can just dab a little powder on top of your brows just to make it a bit more matte before you draw your brows. So I'm first going to use the spoolie to brush up my hairs. So I'm just going to brush up my hairs. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to outline my brows with a black pencil. I love using a I love using a black pencil to outline my brows. When I don't have like a deep brown, I use a black because it helps outline the brows very well. And when you're concealing, it's just so easy to clean up. Okay, I'm just going to outline it. You simply follow the shape of your eyebrows from the down and on the top into the shape you want it to be. Okay, that's how you're just going to outline your brows. I'm going to do the same thing on the top. You see, just that. I'm going to go in and fill that in with my brown pencil. So I'm just going light-handed on it and I'm just filling. And then now I just do the hair-like strokes in front of my brows because I always want the front of my brows to be very, very soft. So just hair-like strokes right here. Then you can go back in and use your spoolie to brush it just to keep the hairs in place. I'm going to use my concealer and my concealer brush. This is the BH Cosmetics concealer wheel and I'm just going to use the lightest shade in it. I'm just picking the product on the brush like this, turning it like that so that I don't mess up the flatness of the brush because you need it to be this flat when you are cleaning it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this the same way we outlined the brows. We're just going to clean it up to make it look nice. And you just pull the concealer down for it to be easy to blend. I used this side and that side to pick up the concealer. And I use just one side to clean it down. So I'm just going to flip onto the other side and then clean up the top. When I'm cleaning up the top, I don't start from the front of my brows. I'm just going to go this way. You need to take your time because myself, I don't like cleaning the top of my brows. I mostly mess it up. I'm going to, because I don't want too much product here, so I'm just going to use the brush to clean this side. I'm going to go ahead and use the blending brush to blend out the concealer even more. So it's best to just dab on it. And push the concealer into your skin. And yeah, we're done with the brows. So you can see the difference from here and here. So the last step I sometimes do, it's an option. After you're done with this, you can go in if you have a brow mascara and then you just brush through your brows with it. Okay, so I'm just going to brush through my brows with it. And this comes in different shades, so it depends on how you want your brows to look like. If you want it to be a bit more soft, just go for a lighter one and just brush through your brows with it. So yeah, that is how I do my brows. I'm just going to go ahead and do this one off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back with the other brows done, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick something. This is the Zaron eyebrow definer. You can just use any eyebrow powder or any eyebrow definer, just the way we use the brow mascara to top it up. You can also use this one to fill it in as well. You can just go in with the shade you want. If you want a darker one or a lighter one, just pick a little bit and just fill in your brows. So this is the finished look of how I do my brows, and I hope you guys did learn something. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you did like the video, and also give me a like, hit on the like button as well, so that I know you guys love the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.